everybody to Belle's channel. Today, again, this episode is episode 49 with the house of E-type. This E-type is coming with the land of 508 square meters and also have 3 bedroom, 4 bathroom. How it's gonna look like? Let's go to see together. From the first tour, when we enter from the entrance, you will see that the parking is able to park for 2 cars but in the long line. And here, the first room is the storage room, which is in the parking area. That they also keep the boiler in this storage room. And here, when you go through the house, you will have the green landscape around, and the entrance is right beside the parking space. Let's go to see outdoor first. Here will be the washing room, where it comes with a built-in set, including the washing machine, which is included in the price already. Also, when you continue, this will be the pump room. It's there. And here, you can see in front of me will have the water tanks for 2 of 2,000 liters. Around the house, you can walk through with the green. And here, when we continue, we will pass until the terrace area, which comes with the 4x8 swimming pool and the water fountain there. What is included here as well, there is the outdoor sofa right here for the 2 and extra for the 1 person here. On another side, you will see there is the dining table for the outdoor as well. Here is including the ceiling fan. During the day, you can sit and relax outdoor. It's very nice. Today is a little bit raining, but the air is fresh. You can follow me to see how is the space of terrace, because it's very wide and have a lot of space that you can use under the shadow. And here they're showing with the sunbed that come together and in front of some bedroom. Here in each room is come with the pool access or the terrace access. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. We can see here is the door of the living room, but also on that side it will be the exit from the master bedroom right here. So we will go to see inside together. Let's go. And now, when I enter in the house, the first area on my left will be living room. In this living room, you can see there is a very wide space between television and sofa. And sofa is come for 3 people. And you see, there is as well the windows in the living room. Behind the living room will be kitchen area. In the kitchen, they come with nice decoration. Here, that extra shelves beside where you can decorate, and the oven, microwave right here. In front of the sink as well, there is the windows that you can see through the parking side. And here, they also have a lot of props inside the kitchen with the nice cupboard. I like the material because this one is like a high gloss, easy to clean. Coming with the induction cooking. As well, there is the cupboard where it's good size, not too high for me, which I able to reach a little bit in the middle here. And it's come with the island. In this island, it's come with a lot of storage, where you can see, I have seen the washing dishwasher. Let me check, it should be around here. Yeah, in this kitchen it includes the dishwasher as well, right? Okay, after the kitchen area, we can go to see the private area. In this house, it comes with a 3 bedroom and 4 bathroom. The bathroom number 4 will be just a toilet and sink for the guests, which is just behind kitchen right here. And there is the next door will be this bathroom using for one of the bedroom beside here. For the first bedroom I enter, this one is the bed that comes with queen size, which showing the dressing table on the left with wardrobe, the built-in wardrobe with the soft cord as well. And they have light inside the cupboard. In this room, the beauty is you can access to the terrace. From the bedroom, you can see swimming pool wheel and terrace and little of the garden right there. So we will continue to the next room. From the first room, there will be the direction to the second bedroom here. This second bedroom is set up with king size. The king size bed, you still have a lot of space in this bedroom. And as well, there is the door that you can access to terrace and swimming pool. And you can see in the morning you can see sunrise from here as well. And in this room it also come with the ensuite bathroom, and the wardrobe is here beside the bathroom, which is very nice, coming with the light inside and mirror. In the second bathroom, the bathroom quite good space, is comfortable for the move. As well, the shower is big, right here. Now it's the time where we will see the last bedroom as a master, which is opposite side of the house. Let's follow me. From the second bedroom, we will walk past to the kitchen and the living room. If you notice, in this living room, they come with the ceiling fan and also the ceiling AC. And here, the position of the master bedroom is just behind the living room. Wow, I like this room because it looks very comfortable with the space, and it's come with the king size bed right there. Also, it's able to access to swimming pool and terrace from your bedroom. Here, they come with a very big size of counter to put television or to be used for the dressing table. And also have the wardrobe that is like a two set, one that side and another one here. And here is the position of the bathroom. This bathroom is quite huge size, which come with the double sink for his and her. As well, the shower have very good size that is wide enough to take a shower. Alright, after seeing all of the details in the house, of the area, as we see, this villa have the land size of 508 square meters, which have the using space for 240 square meters. That come with 3 bedroom and 4 bathroom, which quite very comfortable space. This villa is also fully furnished and also have the EV charger, as well the landscape, as you see, is all included. If you're interested in this villa, you can tell me that you're watching the episode 49 and type E. This villa comes with the price of 8.9 million baht. If you like this villa, just contact to me by calling 086 424 5951 or sending email as the information below. See you in another video. Bye bye.